sure that we were taking our user-focused approach to develop it from the ground up to really meet the user needs that we saw day in and day out in the field. So when you look at what the competition does, you'll see something that looks like this. So essentially, every single box is the same footprint. It all clips in from the sides. So you're locked into having one footprint. But what our users told us, your readers told us, is that's not good enough for them. They hit a variety of different applications day in and day out. They really need a modular storage system that's truly modular and adapts to what they need on a day-to-day basis. So we took a fresh approach to how can we make these connect together to make them truly modular. And that's what you see on the Milwaukee PACKOUT system. We have cleats on the bottom of every unit as well as on the top. So what that allows me to do is easily place it on the top and click it in with one hand. And that also allows us to do things like that. Half-width organizers, or really any size box we could ever want. But one of the other things we saw, a lot of the users out there would have a modular storage system with a whole bunch of different boxes stacked up, and they'd also carry around a soft-sided tote to organize their hand tools and other small things. So Milwaukee is going to be the first company in the industry to introduce a modular storage system that also includes soft-sided bags that have the same locking design on there, so you can easily snap it on the top of your PACKOUT and roll it into the job site. So that bottom-up modularity is key for bringing in all your tools. If you have a big job to do and you need to bring in every tool that you could possibly need. But what if you have a small application? You just need to go in and change out a water heater. The great thing about the PACKOUT system and its true modular design is that I can easily come up to my stack and grab just what I need to walk in and get the job done for the day. So the initial PACKOUT launch is going to include 8 individual products. We have 3 toolboxes, 2 organizers, and 3 soft-sided storage totes. One of the big things I want to get across here is we have an entire team dedicated to expanding this category and coming out with new products not just next year, but the year after that, and the year after that. Really to continue to grow this and make it the most versatile as well as durable system in the industry. So right over here, I want to walk you guys through each of the individual categories and show you some of the unique features each of the products have. So first and foremost, we have the base of the system, which is the rolling toolbox. So what you'll see here is 9-inch all-terrain wheels. We're rolling across job site terrain, up and down stairs, you name it. Industrial grade handle that's rated to support 250 pounds. So you can bring in every tool you can possibly need for the job. They're in the box, they're stacked on top of it. When you look at the competitive unit, it's right over here, that one's rated for 88 pounds. So clearly not going to be durable enough to carry everything you need into the job site. Inside of every one of the PACKOUT boxes, you'll find a weather seal, IP65 rated, and what that means for your readers, they can leave this out in the rain without fear of water or dust getting in and damaging their tools. All the boxes will also have locations specifically designed to mount ticks to, allowing users and your readers to integrate into the one-key system and track their boxes as they move from site to site. The second one we'll have is the large toolbox. Again, all metal top handle, tick mounting location, weather seal, and size to fit a circular seal. On top of that, we'll have our toolbox, which in addition to having a lot of great space to store an M18 or an M12 tool, we'll have a full array of organizers and trays built in so that you can truly have one box to accomplish a lot of your tasks. Next part of the system is our 2 distinct organizers. First off, we have a full width organizer. This can have a lot of the same features that's on our current organizer. Weather seal, removable bins that are easily mountable on job site material, as well as no travel bin seals, so that when you actually seat this down, it actually seals off each individual bin to prevent parts from migrating from side to side. And in addition to the full width organizer, we have a half width organizer. So again, allows you to carry just what you need into the job site day in and day out. And then 3 individual storage totes. A 15-inch right here, the 10-inch, and a 20-inch, all of which will interlock with the top of the PACKOUT storage system. And what you'll find on these, 1680 ballistic material construction, impact resistant, super durable base, all designed to be the most durable in the industry. So overall, the PACKOUT system is clearly designed to be the most versatile modular storage system out there. But it wouldn't be Milwaukee and it wouldn't be a Matt Vargo storage demo if I didn't smash something, right? Right? Everybody got safety glasses? Alright, so this is going to simulate you have a PACKOUT unit versus a competitive unit in the back of your truck and a center block happens to fall down. I'd safety vest on. Everybody ready?
Center block drop.
That's it. That was a bad center block, obviously. Get a good one for tomorrow.
Yeah, that's center block.
So as you can see, no longer a functional toolbox, barely a scratch on the Milwaukee PACKOUT. So again, I want to reiterate, this is just the beginning for the PACKOUT storage system. We're going to have a ton of innovation year over year over year, continue to expand this versatility with this durability I just showed you there. We'll be launching in September of this year.